Okay guys, 2017 Toyota Tundra, limited 4x4, 5.7 liter. It's got aftermarket wheels, tires, front and rear bumpers, headlights, tail lights. I believe it has a small lift on it. Rebuilt title, 141,000 miles. Damage was right through here. All been fixed up. Has 159K on it. It's been driven since the accident. Nice leather seats. So 159, 314 on the miles. Cruise, steering wheel controls, JBL sound system, all your four-wheel drive. These are all your auxiliaries to hook up your lights. Tow package. Power mirrors, blind spot monitors, JBL, power windows and locks. Number, running boards, all weather, floor mats. Nice aftermarket bumper, no brake liner. They should put a winch in there. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.